In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take better Instagram photos. This will help you get more clients and look better online. I'm Ryan, and on this channel we cover photography and cinematography tutorials, tips, and tricks. The first part of a good photo is taking a good photo. So the first thing I have to say in that regard is to shoot in portrait. Now you can do this by having a tripod that allows you to rotate your camera, like my travel tripod, which I shoot all my Instagram photos on, or you can buy an L bracket off of Amazon. The next tip I have is for you to shoot in a consistent style. If you're changing your style up for each photo, clients will not know what they're getting when they purchase your products, and people who follow you will not know what kind of photos are going to show up in their feed. And just like YouTube videos, consistency is key. Now on top of that, you should also shoot in RAW, so that way you have the most options in post, so your shadows don't become noisy and your highlights don't clip. What Instagram tips do you have? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm continuing to use this 24mm look because I feel like it's more versatile in my small studio area. Now the second part of taking a good Instagram photo is editing it well. As I mentioned before, you should choose a style for all your images, which means if you take your photos in a way that makes them look moody, you should edit them in a way that doubles up on that feel to get the best image possible. Now you can do all your basic edits like exposure, contrast, and saturation. And remember, crop and straighten your image to please people's OCD. And also, crop out any unwanted artifacts like power lines in the corners of your image. Here's a bonus tip for those of you that stuck around for the entire video. Edit your photo in a 4:5 aspect ratio in portrait rather than a square aspect ratio. This allows you to take up the most amount of space possible on a phone screen, therefore increasing the chances of a client or viewer stopping to look at your photo. Click the video on screen to learn how to take and edit photos in a moody style that I personally enjoy the most. But first, click here to subscribe.